Start. The present appeal has been filed challenging the judgment dated 23rd September 2017 passed by the Family Court in MA number 7, whereby the petition under section 13(1) of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 filed by the respondent husband for dissolution of marriage has been allowed, and the marriage has been dissolved by a decree of divorce. The relevant facts necessary for the disposal of the present appeal are that the parties got married on 6th July 1989 as per Hindu rites and ceremonies at Shahjahanpur, UP. Two sons were born out of the said wedlock on 9th August 1990 and 29th October 1992 respectively, and are in the care and custody of the appellant at Janakpuri, Delhi. The parties are living separately since the year 2008. Disputes and differences having arisen between the parties, the respondent husband filed a petition under section 13(1) of seeking dissolution of marriage by passing a decree of divorce on the ground of cruelty. The grounds on which the divorce petition was filed were that it was a simple marriage and no dowry articles were demanded by the respondent herein. It was pleaded by the respondent petitioner in the family court that since the very beginning the appellant respondent before the family court was not inclined to live in the matrimonial home with his other family members and showed her aggressive attitude. In order to get mental peace in his matrimonial life, the respondent herein started residing separately from his other family member, but still the attitude of the appellant did not change. The respondent further pleaded that the appellant always ridiculed him in social circle because he had studied only up to class 10th, whereas the appellant is postgraduate in economics. It was also pleaded by the respondent that the appellant never used to do the household work and picked up a quarrel whenever asked to do the same. The further case of the respondent was that the appellant used to beat him up with the help of her brother to pressurize him to transfer the entire property in her name, and the appellant had filed a complaint on 2nd January 2009 with PS Janakpuri. Both children, according to him, were under the dominance and control of the appellant, and she always alienated him from the children. She even filed a false and fabricated complaint at the CAW cell, but due to lack of evidence, the same was disposed of against her. The appellant is also stated to have filed a case under section 12 of the DV Act. The respondent was also aggrieved and that appellant never respected the elders and other family members of the respondent and very often abused them. Her conduct was such that the respondent had gone into depression and even suffered losses in the business and was thus constrained to file the divorce petition. So thanks guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel.